Hello everyone. To install Atlas OS in VMware, first we have to install Windows 10 in VMware. Download Windows 10 installation media, then create installation media. Now open VMware, then create a new virtual machine and select the ISO. Set hardware, then finish. First, update Windows to latest version. After that, open browser and search Atlas OS. Select this download site, then download AMA Wizard and Atlas Playbook. Extract both the files. Now we can install Atlas OS. First, disable drivers update and restart Windows. Then open AMA Wizard and drop Atlas Playbook file. This will guide you through steps, and after doing all that, agree the terms and Atlas will start installing. Finally, Atlas OS is installed in VMware. From Atlas folder on desktop, you can further customize it. We have Microsoft Store and some other important Windows software, but we don't have Windows Defender. That's why CPU usage and RAM usage is very low. So this is how you can install Atlas OS in VMware. And if you want to learn more about this OS, then check out my Atlas OS video, whose link is in description. See you in the next one.